Hi guys, it's Amy from Now Polish Baby 90 and welcome to today. This is just a very quick intro to what you're about to see. So if you have recently watched my de-stash video, thank you so much. That was so hard to go through every drawer and de-stash. It was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. But now that's done, we're left with a whole load of mess. Some of which I'm going to do a little bit of tidying today, and then I'm just going to film with you as kind of like a bit of a vloggy kind of style as I go through and tidy up, because since we've moved in I have now this corner and it's just a huge mess as you're about to see. So like I say, thanks for watching de-stash and help me tidy. Let's get going. So this is the view. This is the new ring lights. Obviously normally you guys are seeing this view plus a chair normally blocking all the mess. Excuse now because I have someone in a wife beater and I'm holding small one, so let me just try and negotiate round. So I have the stand, I have that, I have the desk chair, and then my goodness, yeah, this is really what we're looking at. So you guys can't normally see this carnage, but that's what's happening. So over on the left here, excuse me, I'm going to use my foot, this is 2 boxes of polishes for de-stashing, so that obviously is just a short-term thing. And then I have the packaging that I've bought for selling and shipping off some of the de-stashing there, and then, which is obviously here, and then everything else is polishes to be worn, things to display, things to put away. So that is basically what we're going to be doing here today. On the top we have the laptop and light box, and then polishes to be put, see if I can get a finger in, whoa, polishes to be put away, polishes for monthly favourites and just top coats, base coats, all that. Things for a haul, things to be put away, things to be put away, nail polish remover, sign to be hung on the wall. So it's quite a mess. I have kind of half sorted this a little bit already, if you can believe it. But yeah, that's the overview, and we probably should start tidying. So this is actually the stop point of where I am. Oh, you can see my shadow and where we are at the moment. So I've done quite a lot of work on the top like you saw in my previous little clip, but I have actually ordered another stand here. So I'm going to stop, wait for that to arrive, because it's going to arrive not tomorrow morning, the day after, so just under 48 hours, and then I will be able to do that kind of display on this side as well. But overall I'm really happy. I've got a lot of stuff out on display. It's made me realise I've got a lot of untrieds, more than I thought I did, but that's what we're going to finish for now, and like I say, we'll pick back up once I get that second stand. So here's the next little update. So as you can see, I have my new stand and I filled that up, but I just need to make some space so we have like one lot of untrieds over here. And one over on this side as well, and then we have some, this is all my nail art supplies in here, naked manicure set, we have some OPI stuff and some Zoya stuff, but I'm going to be getting a little shelf to put in here in the corner, because at the moment I have some like here and here that I've swatched and they're ready to be filmed with, but I need to swatch more. So rather than them cluttering up there, I'm going to put them up on a shelf. These are monthly favourites. These are just some that I've pulled out to swatch and will be going away. So like I say, I think if I can just get rid of like these 3 like little bunches here onto a shelf, that would make that a lot cleaner. We'll get this one up onto here, and we are starting to make some progress, but we're not quite there yet. So that is the next little check-in for now. So what I'm tempted to do is split my 4th helmet into some sort of brand order, and I think that will then help, because at the moment that whole helmet is just like a jumble sale. So that's what I'm currently working on. We have Zoya, Sally Hansen, Twinkle Tea, China Glaze Essie in 90, Indies, a little bit of a job left to go. On this operation I have a whole full drawer of Zoya, plus these 2 that are full, plus another like half a drawer in the other helmets. So I'm going to have to definitely go through and do more ruthless of a de-stash than I've already done with those. So I'm going to pack that drawer away. I'm then kind of working on brands that I have a lot of indies for, so that was Glam. And then we have all the 90 back here. China Glaze drawer is nearly full, so I have to move the Essie over. Yeah, so we're going to put the Zoyas away, but like I say, we'll have to revisit them at some point soon. This drawer ended up being Essie, Twinkle Tea, Sally Hansen, and then Butter London, some KL Polish, Colour Club, Morgan Taylor, Sesh. It's like mainstream brands that I didn't have a lot of. I'm hoping now that this one's going to become China Glaze, OPI and Nails Inc. That's the plan for those drawers. That's the plan. Sorry, I've packed my ring light away. But these are now, we've got 3 indie drawers. So 1 indie drawer there, 2, 3. So that's all 90. This is currently splattered paint and glam polish, and then I've divided all my other indie brands into like groups. So I think this is the UK lot, then everything else just kind of grouped together, and this pile here is polishes that I just have one of. So I feel like I might even have a little bit of space once I've put this all in, but I'm not sure. But that's where I'm going to park it for today. I'm going to lock the door so my children and my cats are not going to come and just like dismantle what I've done. So this is kind of what we're left with for now. So I thought I took footage of me getting the second rack, but I can't seem to find it. So I now have 2 racks. Sorry, the drink is like really in the way there. So I now have 2 to try racks, and then the shelves are up. So I don't think I filmed with the shelves being up. So what I tend to do here, so I'm trying to light this up, they're kind of videos that are in progress and things that I need to do things with, just so that they're not scattered on here is kind of the plan. Because before I'd like have all the videos like piled out on here, and now we just put some up here. So this is more polishes I forgot I own. This is more ones that I need to wear from a haul. This is an OPI collection I'm doing a swatch of, and then I've got a few little just decorative. That's like a really cute perfume bottle. Butterfly was sent to me by a subscriber, and then some OPI stuff and some Zoya stuff. So I kind of got like a bit of a decorative theme, as well as helping me map out some videos that I really want to film. So that is kind of where we are now. I am going to be getting a 4th Helmer. We think we can squeeze it in there, so I'll probably check back in next once I have the 4th Helmer, because then obviously this will change all this again. So yeah, that is kind of where we've got to in this phase of polish organisation. So I'm going to kind of wrap this video up here. I've realised through doing these kind of organisational videos at the start of this year that this is going to be like an ongoing project for me for forever, probably, because I'm always going to be buying, destashing, rotating, moving, especially with being on YouTube and things. I feel that just changes how I view things in a way. So what I'm going to do is kind of do these organisational updates, tidy with me's throughout the year, rather than try and commit myself to filming start to end process, because there is no end process to this. So that was the little snapshot that you've got just for the spring, and I'll be doing these, like I say, throughout the year. I'll get another couple up. Every time I do anything, I'll just grab the camera and I'll film it as I go. So hopefully you can see that I have been tidying as much as I can. Still lots to do, so keep checking in, and I will see you soon with more organisation.